Hello Prime Techie, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can download and install Visual Studio Code on your system. At first, I will click on the first link and then I will choose Windows. The download has started. Once the download is complete, then I will click on the downloaded file and I will choose accept. And then I will click on next. I will keep this as my default directory location and then I will click on next. Again next. Then I will click on the create a desktop icon and then I will uncheck this register code and then I will click on next. Then I will click on install. If you are interested in programming in languages like Java, Python, C, C++, etc. using Visual Studio Code, I have already made a video on that topic. You can find that link in my description. So now the download is completed. Then I will open this Visual Studio Code. I will choose the dark high contrast theme in my case. And then I will click on mark done. So that it is. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos.